Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pruning shears that are most wanted in the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GEROSSI Premium Pruning Shears. Crafted from Japanese carbon steel, the GEROSSI Premium Bypass Pruning Shears are incredibly reliable. The blade, in turn, stays sharp for a very long time. And while it doesn't have a market-leading capacity, 0.75 inches, it's still more than enough for most gardening chores. Besides, the ergonomic handles are very safe and comfortable and don't slip even after a long cutting session. The overall build quality is decent too, yet the spring needs some work. It's not very sturdy compared to what we see in pruning shears. Also, because of it, the handles don't always jump back to the default open position. Oh, and you won't find any covers for the blades in the package. But, the company backs the shears with a 1-year 100% money-back guarantee. Pros: impressive sharpness retention, ergonomic, non-slip handles, 12-month 100% MBG. Cons: low quality spring, no cover for the blades. Number 4, Corona BP 3180D Pruner. For pruning and trimming, this gardening tool by Corona will be a worthy pick. The first thing that you'll notice is that it arrives in an eco-friendly, recyclable bag. On the techie front, it has a decent cutting width, 1 inch, and the blade is manufactured from alloy steel using the company's trademark forging process. As a result, it can handle lots of abuse and won't chip under pressure. Now, it's not the sharpest blade out there, but you can always sharpen or even replace it. Another big pro, the Corona BP 3180D Secateur have a narrow profile hook that ensures hassle-free, precise cuts both for leaves and branches. As for the handles, they do provide an excellent grip if you have large or medium-sized hands. Sadly, they're not well suited for smaller hands. Pros: the blade can be sharpened/replaced, slant ground hook for precise cuts, arrives in a recyclable package. Cons: not suitable for smaller hands. Could be a bit sharper. Number 3, Dragro Cordless Electric Pruning Shears. Are you ready to invest extra in a premium quality product and switch from manually operated to electric pruning shears? Then pay extra attention to Dragro. This is a professional tool and costs accordingly. The steep price is its most important disadvantage. But the list of pros makes up for that. Dragro doesn't put any strain on the gardener's hands, the 24V battery does everything. Next, the cutting capacity is 1.6 inches, which is well above the average. The package also deserves our praise. It includes a set of top-notch batteries, 2 replacement blades, and a power adapter. Lubricating oil and some tools are a part of the deal as well, along with a stylish portable box. The Dragro electric pruning shears are mostly recommended for professional trimmers that do this for a living. So, if you want the best quality and performance, this will be a great purchase. Pros: effortless performance, above average cutting width, LED display included, generous package. Cons: a bit too expensive. Number 2, Fiskars Pruning Shears. Gardening gear isn't exactly cheap, but you will be able to afford these shears even if you're on a very limited budget. The affordable price tag doesn't mean this is a low-quality tool. On the contrary, the Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears feature a non-stick coating that makes cutting leaves/stems/branches an easy and enjoyable task. You can use this tool to prune a wide range of garden plants, cut flowering stems, and take care of an herb garden. And, thanks to the ergonomic design and miniature size, it's ideal for bonsai trees. On the downside, the cutting capacity isn't very impressive. You won't be able to cut anything thicker than 0.65 inches. Fiskars are still the best pruning shears for the money, though, thanks to the sharp, low-friction blade, self-cleaning groove, and reliable lock. Besides, the company backs its product with a lifetime warranty. Pros: highly affordable. Low friction, non-stick design, premium quality sap groove, perfect for bonsai trees. Cons: modest cutting capacity. Number 1, gonicc 8.5 Professional Pruning Shears. What's the main issue with most pruning shears? That's right, the blades dull and lose their efficiency over time. Thankfully, this won't be a problem with the gonicc Professional Rotating Bypass Titanium Coated Pruning Shears because the high carbon steel SK5 blade is titanium coated. On top of that, it's practically immune to corrosion and won't rust when exposed to sap or rainwater. The handle also deserves our attention. First, it's very soft yet provides a strong grip. Second, it can rotate in both directions, keeping hand fatigue to a minimum, no matter which hand you're holding it with. There is one minor con, though: you'll have a hard time using this tool if you've got thick gloves on. But since the handle absorbs most of the impact, you might not even need them, and that's what makes gonicc the best overall pruning shears for your garden. Pros: titanium-coated SK5 blade. Highly resistant to corrosion, bidirectional soft grip handle, shock/impact absorption. Cons: hard to use with gloves on. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.